In this Grasshopper tutorial, I want to show you my instant staircase Grasshopper script. With this script, you can create any kind of parametric staircase model that you want. To begin, just toggle the input reference component here in the Grasshopper worksheet, and it will automatically create layers for you. Now just select staircases steps, and it will prompt a window. You can copy your steps to steps layer. You will do the same for run curves. That is all you need. Now just toggle the input reference component in the Grasshopper worksheet, and it will automatically create a parametric staircase model that you can edit, modify and tweak using those input component in Grasshopper worksheet. You can easily change height of this staircase using staircase height input component. Following your design brief, you can increase it or decrease it. You can easily change its tread depth, balustrades height, beam depth. You can even adjust each balustrades width. You can even hide or unhide inner and outer balustrades. And if you toggle the waist slab input component, it will toggle between the types of waist slabs. The best part about a parametric staircase model is that when you update or change any curve in your model and toggle the input refresh button, it will automatically reflect in your parametric model. And the one thing that sets this script apart from other scripts is its ability to create and modify default material maps for each of the component that this parametric staircase model has. As you can see, there is a column of input material components that you can use to modify those materials. You can also adjust their UVW mapping. You can set a default UVW mapping to skip most of the hectic modeling part and skip directly to designing. For example, if I want to edit this skirting material, I will just modify this input component and change the diffuse color of skirting. It will reflect those changes in my viewport. In a similar fashion, I can also modify diffuse texture of each steps. And when I am satisfied with my staircase design, I will just press this bake button, and it will automatically bake each of this staircase component to their separate layers. And this script is not just limited to just straight staircases. I can use the same script and create a dog-leg staircase, just following those previous steps again. Selecting steps curves, copying those steps curves to new steps curves layer, and then again selecting run curves, copying those run curves to run curves layer. Then just toggling the input refresh in the bake button and create a detailed staircase model in just seconds. Similar to that, I can use those same steps and create a U-shaped staircase. Or maybe I want a spiral staircase. I can easily update my drawings and create one in seconds. Maybe you're thinking that the spiral staircase looks better in glass balustrades. We can also do that using these glass railing toggles. Just toggle the inner glass railing and it will automatically replace wooden balustrades with glass railings. You can also use that toggle in any of the previous types of staircases. And here we got our finalized spiral staircase with glass railings. You can get a free trial of this script from the link in the description down below. Or you can buy a full version of this script for just $5, and that would be amazing. Anyway, thanks for watching. My name is Anas and this is Architecture Design Automation, and I will catch you in the next one.